So our second objective in this chapter is to see some different functions of listening and understand what we are listening for. The first one is listening to comprehend, and that means our goal of listening is to understand the information people present and to accurately interpret and store the information received. One simple example, what you are doing right now is exactly listening to comprehend. The only reason you are watching this video here is to understand the knowledge we try to deliver to you and to store those knowledge for quizzes. Other examples would be when you listen to your boss assigning works, or when you listen to some coworker explaining how to use a computer software. All of those indicate that the content of the information is important, and you are not going to be able to complete your task without comprehension. Listening to discern is when you focus on distinguishing one sound from another to decipher something. The most common form is to listen to somebody's vocal tone to access their mood and stress level. For example, if you're concerned that your romantic partner is angry with you, you might listen carefully to the sound of his or her voice rather than the actual words to help you determine whether he or she is really mad and the level of madness. When we listen to analyze, we pay close attention and we carefully evaluate the message we are receiving and we judge it. For instance, when somebody is telling us something and we feel skeptical about it, we listen to analyze. Since we are trying to judge how reliable are their words and to detect logic flaws. When we listen to appreciate, life becomes really easy, since the only goal we have is simply to enjoy the sounds. The easiest example would be when you listen to music. You are not trying to discern a song or to analyze it. You just enjoy the music and its melody. Another example would be listen to a close friend telling you a joke or a funny story. The last listening function is listening to support, indicating that your goal is to provide comfort to a conversational partner. For example, your friend might just be really upset and they might call you and say, I just need someone to talk to right now. In this case, your goal of listening is simply listen without evaluating or judging their word, but simply provide some comfort to your friend. Listening to support always requires us to openly express our empathy.